Good morning, AP students. I've been asked to provide some help on this page, the metric unit conversions in the packet. So numbers 23 through 28. I've been asked by a few different people, so I'm going to do my best to explain it and show you here, and then of course we will talk about it when we get back to school next week. So the first thing you need to know is that this packet does a really good job showing you the conversions. That's what this step thing is. It's not just here for some reason. It's here in the order that you're going to be converting in. So you have this mnemonic to help you remember the order from kilo down to milli, and that's King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Okay, so that's going to be really helpful for you on the actual AP exam when you don't necessarily have this drawn out. So the first problem I'm going to do is number 23, and 23 says 1,200 kilograms equals how many milligrams? So you're trying to figure out how many milligrams are there. So I'm going to start, here's kilo, that's what I start with, and I'm going to milli, which is all the way at the other end. So I'm starting at kilo, and I'm going to milli. To figure out how many places I need to move, I'm going to just count how many squares are in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, there's 6 spaces. And since I went from large, kilo, to small, milli, I'm just going to add 6 zeros behind the base number I've been given. So that's 1,012, what I started with, and then adding 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that is how many milligrams I have. Now I'm going to show you one going from smaller to larger, from millimeters to meters. This is one that some people have gotten stuck on because meters doesn't necessarily seem like it fits here because I don't have one of these prefixes. If there is no prefix, like in meters, you're using the basic unit. That's where you're going to. So for this one, I'm going from milli to the basic unit. So I'm going to count those. 1, 2, 3. Since I'm going from small to large, even though I counted 3, I'm only going to move the decimal 2 spaces to the left because I'm going from small to large. So the decimal was here, and I'm going now, so the decimal in 14,000 millimeters was right here. And I now need to move it 2 spaces to the left. 1, 2. So I know that 14,000 millimeters is equal to 140 meters. That's my final answer. I'm going to let you guys go ahead and solve the rest. If you have further questions, let me know. The key here is that if you are going from small, I'm going to write it down here. If you are going from small to large, you're moving the decimal to the left, and it's 1 less spaces than you counted. Than you counted. Okay, 1 less space than you counted. That's for small to large. Large to small, you just simply add the number of zeros as spaces you counted. Hopefully this is helpful. Email me if you have more questions. I'll see you all next week.